And now your new piece of music, Cradle Song. I'm not so sure that we played anything with this time signature at the beginning here, 6/8. But if not, I'll explain it at the beginning. 6/8 is quavers, and you can see in the left hand there are 6 of them, but they're in groups of 3s, just to make it easier to follow on the music. And every single bar virtually has those groups of 3 quavers. So there's your 6 quavers in the left hand, okay? The right hand, the dotted crotchet, can be divided into 3 halves, because a dotted crotchet is 1.5. If you divide that by 3, 1.5 divided by 3 is 3 halves. So you've got 3 quavers. Quavers are halves, aren't they? So each of these dotted crotchets, I'm counting 3 counts on them, or 3 plus another 3 is the 6. Then when I get to the third bar, I've got again a dotted crotchet, which will be 3 counts, equivalent to the left hand 3 notes. And then a crotchet, if you divide that into halves, that's 2 halves, so that's 2 counts. And then the third count there is just a single quaver. You see it with its little tail, that's a single quaver, and that comes with the last quaver in the left hand. Okay, it may seem a bit complicated at the moment, but because the left hand is actually playing 6 quavers in almost every bar, as long as you fit the right hand in the correct places with the left hand, it sort of takes care of itself a little bit. Okay, so just like when you did Theme, your other piece of music, you were playing the chords, weren't you, like that? Okay, so the same here, you could do the same. You could play all 3 notes there, which is F, A and C, as a chord. Very easy. That's an F major chord, like when you do your broken chord, okay? Then moving along, the third bar. Now we need to refer back here because there's a flat at the beginning in the key signature, and that is B flat. And there's a B in the middle of this chord here. So I've got to remember that to put my finger, which is my second finger, on B flat. So you might want to write a little 2 finger underneath that note, just to remind yourself. So 3 notes there are F, B flat and D. That's middle D, isn't it? Okay, so that forms the chord there. Then the next bar goes back to the first chord again, just your F major chord. Okay, so we're only going to do 1 line, put a tick at the end so we know where we're going to. So excuse me, if I play that with just the chords then, so that's 1 chord, the same again, and again. Now I change to the B flat with the D, there's 2 of those, and then back to the F chord again. All right, and then once you've got those 2 chords, you can change between them quite easily. You can play what's written and just split the notes apart, joining everything up smoothly. 1 quave just follows up one after the other. Don't do it too fast, just do it at a gentle speed. It's a dynamic is quiet because it's called a cradle song, so we want to keep it as a quiet, gentle piece of music. Okay, so left hand is quite straightforward. The right hand, we're starting on C with our second finger, and I'm going to count in 3s. I know we're going up to 6, but 6 is a lot to count, so it's easier to do 2 lots of 3, I think. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, then A, 1, 2, 3, back to C, 1, 2, 3, A, 1, 2, 3. Now this is D with a third finger, 1, 2, 3, going up to F for 2, 3 is D, and then that is actually 6, that dotted minim. All right, okay, so let me do it once again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I may just clap that rhythm in that third bar, or third and fourth bar. Okay, I'm going to count 3 first. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'll follow it again on the music. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm not going to put it hands together just at the moment. Just be good for you to get used to counting in threes like that, and unusually thinking in quavers rather than in crotchets, which is what we tend to count in, like 3/4 and 4/4 time signatures are all counting crotchet counts. But we're counting quaver counts, representing 6 quavers in every bar. So that's Cradle Song.